Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. So today's video is going to be how I make aloe vera eye cream. This is under eye cream that you use at night, or you could use during the day. As the base, I use African Shea Butter. I also use avocado oil and organic coconut oil, and I'll explain why in a bit. I take a heaping teaspoon of unmelted shea butter, and then I use 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of avocado oil. I then use 1 tablespoon of organic aloe vera gel, and I mix all of the ingredients together. I use shea butter, avocado oil, and coconut oil because they're packed with vitamins and perfect for the under eye. It's hydrating and helps brighten up the under eye and diminishes wrinkles. I add aloe vera as the main ingredient because aloe vera relieves puffiness and swelling and helps dryness under the eyes. I make sure to use this almost every night for my skincare routine. And I say almost because sometimes I forget, but this is something that you could definitely use to help the dryness under your eye and help diminish wrinkles as well as crow's feet. Keep in mind that this is something that you should use up within 6 months. You can store it in the fridge, but every 6 months, this is something that should be remade over again because there are absolutely no preservatives or chemicals. This is 100% natural product. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you try it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you try this. Share this video if you care and know someone that has dark marks under their eyes or even wrinkles that might benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.